but we use this quite frequently at our house whenever we're feeling under the weather, primarily for respiratory issues and skin irritations. So we're going to focus today on the basic recipe and some of the things that I add when we're talking about sniffles, sneezes, cough, those types of things. So the basic recipe is Epsom salt and baking soda in equal parts of each. I do about a cup each if I'm doing one kiddo in the bath, 2 cups each if we're doing both of them together or an adult. So we're going to go ahead and get started adding our Epsom salt and baking soda. We want to use the fragrance-free plain Epsom salt. You don't want any extras in it, okay? So we've measured 2 cups in there, and then we're going to do 2 cups of baking soda. And so we're going to mix that together, and then you want to help mix it? Yep, go ahead. So we do this in a stainless steel mixing bowl, and I like something like that because I'm going to add essential oils to help target the symptoms that we're talking about today. And if you use a plastic bowl, the oils will sometimes get soaked into the plastic, and the smell will pick up and you won't be able to get it out. So we like stainless steel or ceramic would be fine as well. So we're incorporating that together, and so I always add essential oils to the dry mixture to help target whatever we're looking at. So again, today we're going to look at respiratory issues, and so some of the oils that I reach for no matter what we're looking at are lavender, and everybody's probably familiar with lavender, and it's really good for all of the things. So I will shake a little bit in. I really don't count, but I probably do about 10 to 15 drops of lavender. And so we'll start to mix that in. I also do copaiba. This is a tree oil, and it has a lot of great properties, including anti-inflammatory properties, and it also helps to enhance the actions and the effects of other oils. So we always add that to our bath as well. So we're going to keep mixing that together. And then I'm going to add thieves, which is a blend that really helps to support the immune system. So whenever you're not feeling good, that's always a great one. And then one of our favorites, Sniffles, does exactly what you think. It helps to target sniffles and make you feel better, helps with the respiratory system. This one is specifically designed for the kiddos. And do we like this? We like Sniffles a lot, huh? So we use it in our bath. We will also put it in the diffuser, or where do we put it? Yeah, we put it right on our chest too sometimes. So we're sprinkling a little bit of that, and it smells good. Can you guys smell that? It smells good, yeah. So you always want to mix those oils into your dry ingredients before you put them in the bath water. If you just put the oils directly into the bath water, they will just sit on top. They're not fatty oils in that sense, but they are hydrophobic, so they won't incorporate nicely. But if you mix them in with your dry ingredients and then add them to your warm bath water, you'll have a lot better results. So we're going to mix that up really good. Moo's doing a great job stirring that here. And so we're going to get those oils nice and incorporated. And then we're going to head up to the tub, and we're going to draw a warm bath, and we're going to mix this in. The kids love to scoop it out and stir it around and get it all dissolved in their bath. And I also add hydrogen peroxide when we get up to the bathtub. I usually add about a half of whatever part I'm doing with our 2 dry ingredients. So if I'm doing 2 cups each of Epsom salt and baking soda, I'll add about a cup of the hydrogen peroxide directly to that bath water, stir that all around, and we hop on in and we soak in that for about 15 or 20 minutes. If you're really feeling yucky, you can do that multiple times a day or once a day when you have symptoms. And you guys ask for that, right? When you're not feeling good, you tell mommy you need a flower bath. And what does it help?
Help us sniffle.
Yeah, helps your sniffles. It'll help you breathe a little bit better.
It's for mostly kids.
And mostly for Tiggy's not feeling great today, huh?
And
So and Moo. So we're gonna go take care of that. So we're gonna soak and enjoy that. So it kind of acts as its own diffuser with the warm bath, and you can breathe that in. I've even gotten in the bath with the kids if they're really sick and really don't want to sit there on their own, and I will just put them on my lap and use a washcloth washcloth or scoop and kind of pour that water over their back and their chest, and that can be helpful as well. So it's really great to help to support your body with natural processes and healing, and help to open up those respiratory passages. Again, we also will use this sometimes for skin irritations, and we'll use different oils to target those different types of symptoms, but this is one of our go-tos all the time, especially this time of year when everybody's passing germs around. So drop us a comment below if you want to check this recipe out and you try it, and let us know what you think. All right, bye everybody.
Bye, everybody.